Hello stock traders, I hope all of you are having a fantastic trading day. In this video, I have a new PDUFA Run Up stock and the time to buy is right now. Before we get started, let's review my previous PDUFA picks that my Discord and Patreon members got in before the move. So far in the last month, we have been successful on this strategy 4 out of 4 times for a 100% win rate. There is ATXI, which I sold for a small 1.6% gain because we were getting too close to the actual date of approval. Also, SLGL is picking up steam and looking very good for the run-up date. Finally, there is PLX that is really gaining momentum, and so far all of our members are up on it, and I hope you are too, that you invest in that stock. We still have time for that run-up because it's not until April 27th. And within our Discord, and I didn't get a chance to make a video on it on ARDX, we were able to sell that for a 10.5% gain. Once I put out the notification that I was starting my work on that particular one, and I had actually prepared a video, it hit overbought levels. I sent out a notification and a lot of us made really good money on that pick. Now, if you are wanting to get in earlier before this video comes out, consider our Patreon group. We have a great group of investors within there and Discord benefits attached and lots of different levels depending on how you like to invest. The basic level is only $27 a month. You should consider it, and I think you'd be glad that you did. I like to use Webull for my trading of bios because I can trade earlier and later than everyone else. They have the best pre-market and after hours, in my opinion. So many bios come out with news in after hours or pre-market, so it's important to be able to trade during those times. You will get special benefits for using our link, so we have that in the description down below. Also, if you haven't done so before, please consider hitting that most amazing and wonderful like button. And also, please subscribe and turn on those bell notifications so you get notified when one of these videos comes out. Now that we got all of that out of the way, let's review the 4 things I look for a PDUFA run-up. First, I am looking for a PDUFA date of at least 1 week out and not more than 6 weeks out. Second, you need a drug that is significant that's up for approval. Third, I look for price targets of analysts by more than 30% upside. And fourth, you need available cash of any bio that you choose. You got to do the research and figure out how much cash they have on hand so that they can make it easily through the PDUFA date. Nothing is worse than investing in a bio and having an offering dilute your shares. The stock I'm going to be talking about today is HRTX, Heron Therapeutics. As always, be careful how you enter. It's important to consider volume, that there's plenty of trading volume at the time that you buy or sell. As you can see here by the PDUFA calendar that I have pulled up, HRTX has a PDUFA date of May 12th. It is the perfect time frame to play the run-up of this stock. You can see here that HRTX has a drug up for FDA approval by the name of HTX-011. It is under review for the treatment of post-operative pain. A non-narcotic post-operative pain drug is huge for this company and the potential of the share price. Barry Quart had this to say about this drug. He is the CEO of Heron Therapeutics. In the study, 77% of patients required no opioids through the 28-day recovery period. Importantly, the results of this study may provide orthopedics with a model for managing severe post-operative pain for patients undergoing complex and painful surgeries and the ability to reduce or eliminate the need for opioid prescriptions with this simple multimodal design. So you may know that this drug was up for approval before, and this is its second time around, before they received a complete response letter. They had a meeting with the FDA, and this is what reporters said about it. Our Type A meeting with the FDA was extremely constructive, with alignment on next steps for the HTX-011 NDA resubmission, and with both parties committed to bringing this important non-opioid to patients in the U.S. as soon as possible. The FDA responded very positively to the information that Heron has generated to resolve the issues contained in the complete response letter and agreed that the proposed specification change was acceptable. This, of course, is huge news towards the approval of this drug. In taking a look at what analysts think about Heron Therapeutics, you can see here that the average analyst target is $30.33. This is a possible upside of 82.71%. This, in my opinion, if they get approval, is very conservative to what could happen to the share price of the stock. Based on the last cash reported, HRTX has enough cash to get comfortably to 2022 without the need for an offering. We should be safe. Heron Therapeutics has a mission to improve the lives of patients by developing novel, best-in-class treatments to address some of the most important unmet patient needs. They aim to develop patient-focused solutions by applying their innovative science and technologies with well-known pharmacology. HRTX has multiple drugs in their pipeline, so not everything is resting on this. As you can see here in the insider analysis report, there really isn't anything significant to report either buying or selling. But as you take a look at the top 10 owners of Heron Therapeutics, there's some significant adding that is happening here. Vanguard Group is adding. Wellington Management is adding huge 91% increase. BlackRock Fund Advisors, which I pay very close attention to, is adding also. Overall, I like how the big institutions are loading up on this. It gives me confidence to invest. All right, let's take a look at the stock chart. As with a lot of stocks over the last month, you can see a three-wave ABC correction here that happens toward the end. This appears to be wave one of the Elliott wave, and so we are looking bullish here as this price moves forward. Also, with us getting closer to the PDUFA date, I expect investors to really start loading and paying attention to this. Anything under $17 a share is a good buy in my opinion. In short, I think that HRTX Heron Therapeutics provides superior upside for the average investor. We should be able to play this run up and make quite a bit of money. I appreciate all of you watching and all of those who support me by subscribing to the YouTube channel or who support us through Patreon. Wishing you all the best with this investment and any others, and Raythoven out.